So, have you ever made tri-tip in the air fryer? I haven't, so let's give it a try together and see how it comes out. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and let our tri-tip sit in this container here. We're going to let it come to room temperature while we mix our rub. Okay, so for our rub, we're going to use this because I'm out of our steak seasoning, but this will do. So we'll figure it out. We're going to add some of that. We're going to add some thyme. Okay, some seasoned salt, a little smoked paprika, and some garlic powder. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and mix that up. Okay, set that aside. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil, rub that in both sides, just so it's kind of well coated. And then we're going to take our rub that we just created. I'm going to sprinkle that on top. Just going to go ahead and rub that in really well. And I'm going to let I'm going to let this sit and marinate for maybe half an hour or so before I cook it and try to get these flavors really blended and really into that meat. Don't forget any parts there. Alright, now we wait. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and preheat our air fryer here. I'm going to turn the time up a little bit, and then I'm going to put the temperature, I guess it only goes to 400. You want to turn it up to the highest setting that you have, which evidently mine is 400. So we're going to let that preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes before we put that meat in. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open the basket. We're going to put our tri-tip in, and I'm going to cook it maybe 10 to 12 minutes. Ooh, you hear that sear? Ooh, that's what we want. About 10 to 12 minutes on each side. We want a little bit of pink in the middle, but not too much. Don't get too crazy now. Okay, so it's been in, I think, long enough, and ooh, guys, it looks so good. All right, smells so good. It came out so nice. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit and rest for about 10 minutes and cut it and see how we did. Okay, woo. It's nice and juicy. So it came out nice. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's give it a try. Good.